We all get annoyed when a commercial cuts into the video we want to watch, but what if you got paid to watch? You won't believe it, but some sites pay you to watch ads, previews, and other content, like movies and TV shows. You can earn gift cards and extra cash by watching online videos in your spare time. This won't make you rich, but it could help you save up some money. Several companies are looking for people to join their teams, so in this video, we will talk about the 7 ways to earn money by watching videos. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. 7. Viggle. Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that came out in 2012. It lets users get rewards for doing things like watching TV shows and listening to music. More than 7 million people use the app, and they have redeemed more than $19 million in rewards. With the Viggle app, you can get points for watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming services or live TV just by checking in. When users watch shows or listen to music through the Viggle app, they get a point per minute, plus any bonuses. You can turn your points into PayPal cash, a prepaid debit card, or free gift cards to more than 200 retailers. Keep in mind that the reviews on Google Play are mixed, and that many users have mentioned bugs, but Viggle is a real app that you might want to try. 6. Grab Points. Grab Points is a free mobile app that came out in 2014 and lets users do things like take surveys and watch videos to earn points. Grab Points has gotten a lot of good feedback on both its website and on Trustpilot. You can earn points on Grab Points by watching videos. You can choose from a number of channels, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. Grab Points will tell you how many points you'll get and how many videos you'll need to watch to get rewards. Once you have 3,000 points, which is the same as $3, you can get PayPal cash or free gift cards to well-known stores. Grab Points is one of the fastest ways to make money online by watching videos. There is a low threshold for cashing out, and you can get your money 48 hours after requesting it. You can also get more points by telling other people about the program. 5. Nielsen. Nielsen has been keeping track of what people listen to and watch for more than 90 years. They do this so they can tell businesses how their content is doing. Nielsen is a company on the S&P Wink with tongue sticking out 500 that does market research in more than 100 countries. Nielsen rates content in part by looking at how Nielsen families, which are groups of people chosen to be representative of larger communities, act. You can't choose to be a Nielsen family, but if you are chosen, you will get gifts. You can also sign up to be on the computer and mobile panel run by Nielsen. To join, you will have to put software on your devices. Both iPhones and Android phones can use the mobile app. From there, you can use the internet as you normally would to watch content. It's not necessary to watch certain videos. You will help companies make their products better, and you may also get rewards and chances to win. Each month, Nielsen gives away $10,000. 4. CashKick. CashKick works with companies that want to hear from consumers like you, just like the other tried and true apps on our list. Even though CashKick doesn't have its own page on the Better Business Bureau website, it is a legitimate site that lets you earn rewards in a number of different ways. CashKick users can get paid for watching short videos, filling out surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and doing other things on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity is different, and once a user has $10 in their CashKick account, they can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal. You can also refer friends to CashKick and get rewards for doing so. When a friend uses your referral link to join CashKick and completes tasks, you'll get 25% of their total earnings. If you have friends or family who want to make extra money on the side, referring them can be a great way to get closer to the $10 payout threshold. 3. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that started in 2004. It is owned by the same company as MyPoints and Inbox Dollars. The company has an A rating from the Better Business Bureau and tens of thousands of good reviews on Trustpilot. You can earn points on Swagbucks by shopping at partner stores, searching the web, taking surveys, and watching videos. It has paid out more than $434 million to its users, and each day it gives out 7,000 gift cards. Users can cash out via PayPal or get gift cards in exchange for their points. $1 is worth 100 swagbucks. Swagbucks says that some dedicated users have made over $10,000 on the site, but most casual users make between $25 and $100 each month. Even though Swagbucks won't make you rich, it is a legit way to make money for doing things you would do anyway. 2. MyPoints. The reward site MyPoints has been around since 1996. The Better Business Bureau has given the company an A rating, and Trustpilot has received thousands of positive reviews. With MyPoints, you can use your account to get rewards when you shop, in addition to coupon discounts, take online surveys and play games for points, and of course, watch videos. To earn points on MyPoints by watching videos, you'll need to finish a list of videos. You can earn points by using your computer on the site or by using the MyPoints app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day by watching video playlists. How much each point is worth depends on how you use it. One unique thing about MyPoints is that it works with United Airlines so that you can use your points to add miles to your United Mileage Plus account. But if you don't plan to travel soon, you can also choose gift cards from 70 stores and restaurants or turn your points into a PayPal deposit or Visa prepaid card. 1. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars has given its members more than $59 million in cash since it started in 2000. Inbox Dollars is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. It has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and a lot of good reviews on Trustpilot. On its video channel, Inbox Dollars lets you watch videos from many different categories. You will be able to see how much you can earn before watching, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Big companies pay Inbox Dollars money to show you their content, and Inbox Dollars shares a portion of that money with you. As you watch more videos, you'll also be able to earn virtual scratch-off cards with cash prizes hidden inside. Once you have $30 in your account, you can cash out through PayPal, choose a gift card, or ask for a check. So, these are the 7 ways to earn money by watching videos. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.